right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. All right, we're gonna begin with some joint circles to start today. So beginning with your feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent so that you're springy, but the spine is tall so that you're alert but relaxed. You can place your hands on your hips and then just begin to rotate the pelvis in a circle. All right, this is gonna loosen up the hips, but also pretty much the whole lower body. So if you're short on time, this is gonna be a great warm up to loosen the lower back, the hips, the knees, and the ankles. All right, and then reverse direction. Just doing small circles at first. And then if it feels okay, you can make them a little bigger, but just enough to loosen the joints. All right, and then for the upper body, we'll do the shoulders. So coming back to stillness, and then lift the shoulders up towards the ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders. This helps release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. So it's really great for the upper body. And you can do these every day. All right, and then to really energize the body, we're gonna do a movement called the pump. All right, so breathe in, the arms float up overhead, and as you breathe out, soften down. Breathing in, up, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. So coming up and then softening down. So straightening and then bending the knees. And you can go as fast or as slow as you like. But this one's a little bit faster so that we really stimulate the blood flow and energy. All right, we'll do a few more. The pump. So once again, breathing in, breathing out, let it go. One more time. All right. And then just take a moment to feel into the body. Notice the sensations. You might already start to feel that tingling and warmth. That's the energy already circulating in the body. And then with both hands together, we'll sync the chi. So as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy. The arms float down. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Syncing the chi. Stimulating the energy. Now we're settling it back down, grounding the energy. This one's great to do anytime during the day, whenever you're feeling stressed out, just getting the energy out of the head into the body. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. One more time, sync the chi. This time the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door. Starting the journey, nice and slow. Feeling the sensations. Breathing in. Breathing out. This time you can lift your heels if you like. So coming on the balls of the feet. And then coming back down, lifting the toes if you like. Rising up. It's okay to wobble. One more time, opening the door with the heel raise. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. Really letting go of any tension, any stress. Just bringing your attention to the body. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the bottom hand floats up, grabbing with the fist, and then draw it in towards the hip, other side. The back of the hand leads the way, spiraling, making a loose fist, drawing it in. The dragon grabs the elixir. It's going side to side, gentle rotation. Breathing in, breathing out. Back of the hand leads the way, then spiraling the hand, loose fist, bring it into the hip, other side. Just coming across the body. One more time, the dragon grabs the elixir. And then from here, both arms circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingertips dip down towards the earth. The hands come forward, all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably. Coming back up. One more time. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over and down as we harvest from the garden. Still breathing. All right, one more time. And then from here, round out as if you're hugging a big tree once again. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side, and then the moon orbits around the earth. So circling the hands around, as if they're going right around the earth. Like you're holding the moon, letting it guide you around the earth. One more time. And then reverse direction with the arms. Whichever way you were going, just go the other way. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just getting in some mindful movement for your day. Feeling into the body. One more time. The moon orbits the earth. And then round out, hugging the tree. Bring it back to center. Take your time as you open. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top. Embrace the moon. Pivot on the heel. Toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. Circle the hands around. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. One more time, circle it around. And then reverse direction with the hands. Moving from your center. Gentle rotation. All right, one more time, the moon orbits the earth. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands draw in towards the heart as you step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw back in as you shift back. And then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. And one more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner. Parting the clouds. Breathing in, open. Breathing out. One more time. Parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight, step in. Step out to the other corner as you push the mountain. Really feeling into the body, bringing mindfulness to the body. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner. Parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, circle it around again, ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, ward off. This time, bottom hand scoops under, the fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting the weight back, and then forward. One more time, roll back. This time we'll toss it away. The hands float out to the side. Then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press, nice and soft. This time the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time sit back and open, wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Circle it around again, ward off. Once more, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, roll back. Receiving, going with the flow. One more time. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in. Pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away, fold it in, press. One more time. This time the hands separate, draw them in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side. Grasping the bird's tail, step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. You can step the foot in a little bit closer if you like. And then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? So we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms circle in front. Hug the tree, shift your weight over and step in, and then step out to the corner as the arms open out to the sides, the front knee can bend. Then the front knee straightens as you shift back, the wrists cross, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. The butterfly. The arms cross again as you shift forward and open. Shifting back, hinge from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. Spread the wings. Breathing in and open. One more time, the butterfly on the side. Breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. The arms open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Take your time as you shift the weight over and step in, and then step out to the other corner. The arms open as you shift forward, and then as you shift back, the front knee can straighten or keep a slight bend in the knee. Hinging from the hips, spread the wings. Cross the wrists, shift forward, front knee bends, arms open. Take a bow. Flutter the wings. And one more time, the butterfly. The arms open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart. Rise up, soften down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the body breathing, all on its own. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our monthly calendar program. So please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you over there.